So what's happened, Eve? We've woken up and what noise are we hearing?
The Smurf club.
And what noise is it making?
Cheep,
Chip, chip. So the battery's gone flat. It did go flat a couple of weeks ago in the middle of the night and we changed the battery, but obviously it obviously wasn't a fully charged battery. So now Daddy's getting up on the trusty ladder.
I put that there so in case that she hurts himself, he keep on.
Thank you.
So Daddy's changing the battery so that it will be safe for us. You okay? That nasty cough. You help me. Oh, sorry, Ev. You right?
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, I broke my toenail.
Sorry.
I'm holding the ladder.
So how are we going up there? He's changed. He's put the new one in. Shut it closed. Hopefully we won't hear any more cheeping.
And he has his hole and his
Thanks for that. Good morning. Today is Friday. It is also the last day of the school term. And sadly, my beautiful Belle has been up all night coughing and woke up very congested. So we made the decision that she should stay home and have a day of rest, because the last thing she wants to do is go to school and make all her little friends sick for the school holidays. So we are home. Here is my little beautiful girl. Say hi.
And I made this.
She made her own headband this morning out of string and she coloured it in. Look at that. Very creative. Wonderful. Very resourceful, Evelyn. So we are going to have to do a few things here because already everybody's bored, and let me show you our playroom. This is the first thing that I want to do because it's like somebody dropped a bomb in this room and everything has exploded everywhere. Can you see behind me the mess that is our playroom? Look at this. What is this?
We have Lego.
Look at the Lego. We've got a tub. We're going to try and put all the Lego in there. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you can see all of that. Oh, I don't even know where to start. So,
And I don't want to do that, so we're going to put fake nails on my nails.
So yes, perhaps we'll do some fake nails. We might have a bit of girly time and paint our nails and do a few fun things as well. There's a bit of tidying up and organising today. All right. Hi-ho, hi-ho, it's off to work we go with a bucket and... Oh, sorry, I forgot to show you the latest little Hucklebuck. Hey, buddy. Yes, and he's on strike. He's not actually going to get dressed today, he informs me. So we're up for a bit of a challenging day. I can feel it already. Anyway, I hope everybody is having an awesome day. What's happened?
And he had his wheel.
The monster truck, the ambulance. Oh, the monster truck. So he's gone for a ride in the ambulance, has he?
Yeah.
And is he at the hospital now? He's at the monster truck hospital.
Open your mouth.
All right.
Open your mouth.
Dr. Sasha, you fixing him up?
Oh, I can see.
What can you see, Sasha?
Dirt.
Oh dear.
No blood.
No blood? Well, thank goodness for that.
No, just blood.
Oh dear.
Fix the blood. Let me do it. I'll just do an X-ray. He has a mask on so he can breathe.
Is it the mask?
Yeah. So we have to check his heart and his needle at the same time. Ready, set, go.
Ow!
This is my speaker.
That's your speaker, is it? Is it called something else?
Yeah.
What's it called?
Speaker.
What else is it called?
A motoscope.
Stethoscope.
I got this from my birthday last year, and it's a makeup kit, and it comes with labels.
Wow, levels. Ooh, this looks really nice. A 3-level cosmetic kit. And what's in there?
Lipstick, nails, brushes, and some, I don't know what the other things are.
Oh, wow.
And there's a mirror.
Oh, beautiful. Look at all these. Beautiful there. Excited?
Take it out.
There you are. Folds up like a little case.
That's so
How cute.
I really want them. Oh yeah, I got green makeup.
So I think the most fun part about getting something new is unpackaging it all and having a play with it, isn't it? So look at all this. You're the rubber, aren't you? Wow, we've got nail polishes. We've got
And I already put some purple.
And we got a mirror.
And we got a mirror.
So we're going to let Everly have a play now and see what amazing designs she comes up with. So, out of desperation to do something fun, I raided the cupboard and I found this really cool game, which is called 3D Monster Surgery. Hold on, and I'll show you it. This is the game that I found in the cupboard, and I'm embarrassed to say I didn't even know that we had it. So Sasha's sitting like a little, squatting like a little frog on the table, and Everly's poised and ready to play. So this is our monster. It's like the old operation game. It's a game of skill. You have to be really careful. You've got to grab his body parts out, but don't touch the sides. If you make him jump, then you lose your turn. It's the next person's turn. Alright, so Ev's got to start by spinning to see which body part she has to take out.
I already spinned it out.
Did you?
This thing.
Okay,
And I got it out
the
already.
kidney. Ew, have you already got it out without making it shake?
Yeah.
Great, so Everly gets another turn. And over here, the arm bone. Will she be able to do that without making it jump? It is your turn. Okay. You can keep that one. Yeah. So spin, Sash. You have to spin. Spin your little wheel to see what are you going to want. Okay, down here. So where is that? Here. This piece, Sash.
That piece right here.
So very careful. No. You got to use the tweezers, buddy. Don't make a jump. Ready?
So I found my ball in that black tub.
Yes, and we haven't seen your ball since last summer.
Yes.
Since the weather turned bad and we packed everything away. So we are very lucky because today is a pretty nice day. We've got blue skies. We packed everything away in there. Well, look out. Good work, sister. Whoa.
I'm going to put water in here.
What?
In here.
No, because then you'll squirt me. Cheeky, I know you.
I need to put bathing on.
No bathers, it's not that warm. It's like 20 degrees if you're lucky. So today while I was raiding the cupboards looking for games and fun things to do, I found a huge old yellow envelope. And inside I found some really cool puzzles. Turns out they were puzzles from when Dad was a kid. So we've been sitting here spending our Friday night.
And then we played the monster game. And we did this puzzle.
We finished our puzzle, didn't we, Sash? Let's have a look. It's Smurfs. So Smurfs have been around for a very long time. How's it going, guys?
Good.
There you go, good girl.
Oh, this is a train, Daddy.
Yes.
We're building one of the trains.
Oh, that's a
Fantastic.
We have a Smurf.
Alright, you might go.
Where does this bit go?
I'd say over here somewhere.
Where?
Well, you have to find the spot that it goes in.
You
Let's have a
want
look at the finished product. That is very cool. Except for our missing spots and our puzzle over there.